Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to show you the ROK 255mm bench saw. When you purchase the saw, you'll get an Allen key for changing the blade and you'll get a clamping device for securing your materials down. Whenever using power tools like this, we'd also recommend you wear safety goggles or safety specs. This bench saw will enable you to do miters in two different ways. The first way, by unloosening the bolts at the back, we can move the base round to the left or right to cut 45-degree miters. Always making sure that we lock the base off when set. Also on this machine, by releasing the lever at the back, we can drop the bench saw over to the left and cut a bevel miter on it. With this bench saw, you have to pull the trigger in, pull the guard safety mechanism before we can lower the machine. Always making sure that we lock the bench saw off with the lever at the back when we've changed it back. With this machine, it also comes on a sliding arm. So by loosening a bolt at the back, we can slide the motor in and out, thus giving us a greater depth of cut. This machine also comes equipped with a laser guide. So by turning the laser on at the back, we have a laser line that we can mark down so we can cut the material with accuracy. This is the ROK 255mm bench saw. Now let's see the saw in action. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.